Utilizing a digital customer engagement platform to engage with consumers is great and all, but what if you're on the go? Hello everyone, welcome to Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Osich, and today I'll be talking about mobile applications and their impact on conversions. The freedom of having a digital customer engagement platform in the palm of one's hand allows users to not be bogged down in front of their computers and actually be able to be on the move and be available to pick up incoming communications from prospective and existing clients. As a simple app on their smartphones, all inbound consumer communications get funneled into a mobile app for enterprise agents to be able to quickly pick up a chat, text, or more and instantly engage with a consumer. Botsplash is offered not only as a desktop browser communications platform, but also as a mobile app. And as a mobile app, Botsplash can literally be in the hands of its users and allow them to instantly engage with consumers wherever and whenever they might be. So if you would like to know how to pick up instant chats with consumers and be able to talk to them from your very smartphone, feel free to reach out to us here at Botsplash and hear more about how our omnichannel customer engagement platform can be harnessed from the palm of your hand. I'm Willem Osich, and as always, thank you for watching Botsplash TV.